This segment will provide some safety, operation, and maintenance tips for your new Agri-Fab 60-gallon tow sprayer. Make sure to read and understand the vehicle manual and the owner's manual before using the sprayer. Never allow children to operate this sprayer. Do not allow anyone to ride or sit on the sprayer. Keep the area clear of all persons, especially children. Read the chemical label before handling or mixing chemicals. Wear eye and hand protection and other protective clothing when handling and applying lawn chemicals. Always release pressure in the system before filling, cleaning, or servicing the sprayer. Liquid spray material is recommended. The sprayer does not agitate wettable powders. Do not spray on windy days. Stop spraying when the tank is empty. Attaching this sprayer may affect your tractor's braking and stability. Stay off steep slopes. Refer to the vehicle's owner's manual concerning safe operation on slopes. Operate at reduced speed on rough terrain, along ditches, and on hillsides to prevent loss of control. Stopping distances increases with speed and weight of towed load. Travel slowly and allow extra time and distance to stop. Beware of your tractor's capability. When it's filled with liquid, the 60-gallon sprayer weighs 620 pounds or 281 kilograms. When spraying with the boom, sprayer must be calibrated to ensure proper spray coverage. The calibration process consists of 3 steps: calculating the speed of the tractor, determining the nozzle size, and consulting the calibration chart for desired gallons per acre. Setting pressure using the relief valve. It's important to determine what speed the tractor will be traveling while spraying. Even if the tractor has a speedometer, it is still recommended that the speed be checked for accuracy. Perform the following steps to determine speed. Measure a 200 or 300-foot distance on a field or surface similar to where the sprayer will be used. Drive your tractor with half-full sprayer across the measured distance at a consistent and comfortable speed for spraying. Maintain a constant speed while measuring time. Determine the amount of time in seconds it takes to travel the measured distance. Speed can be determined by entering data into the following equation shown on screen or by consulting the table. The spray nozzles on your sprayer are red AIC 11004, corresponding with this calibration chart. Referring to the chart, using tractor speed, nozzle size, and desired gallons per acre GPA. Find pressure, PSI, necessary to achieve your GPA. Lower pressure settings will result in less spray drift. As an example, the tractor speed is determined to be 4 miles per hour. Your nozzles are red AIC 11004, and the desired coverage is 20 gallons per acre. The calibration charts show that you should set the sprayer's pressure at about 35 psi to apply 20 GPA. Optimum spray performance is achieved between 20 and 25 psi. When shutting off the outer tips, use the regulator valve to adjust your boom pressure accordingly. All calibration needs to be done with clean water. Once correct pressure has been determined, the sprayer must be adjusted to that pressure setting. Before adjusting sprayer's pressure, it's important to set tractor RPM at a rate that was used to determine tractor speed. Loosen the lock ring and adjust the knob to your desired pressure. Once desired pressure is achieved, tighten the lock ring. The sprayer is now calibrated. Do not operate the sprayer without first performing the calibration described. Once it's calibrated, turn the selector towards the spray wand or spray boom position. The boom is divided into 3 sections. The left and right sections can be turned on and off by turning the corresponding inline valve on the boom. Determine your spray width by selecting the appropriate boom assembly sections. To use the spray nozzle, turn the selector level to the handgun position. Then squeeze the handle to spray. Adjust the spray pattern using the lever. The spray guard is intended to keep overspray off your hands. It can be adjusted by loosening the nut and sliding it into your desired position. Flip the handle lock forward to lock the handle in the on position. To clean spray tips, remove the spray nozzle and screen. Wash the screen and spray tip in a non-flammable solvent. Now insert the screen and secure the spray nozzle. To clean the pump suction screen, remove the tank cover. Then unscrew the suction screen and clean it with liquid detergent and warm water. When reinstalling it, ensure it reaches the lowest depression in the tank. After each use, fill the sprayer partway with water and pump the water out to the boom assembly and spray gun. Use the spray gun to wash out the inside of the tank. Refill the tank about half full of water and a chemical neutralizer solution and repeat the cleaning instructions. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for disposal of all chemicals. For winter storage, drain all the water out of the sprayer, especially the pump and handgun. These items are prone to damage from freezing temperatures. Winterize the sprayer by pumping a 50-50 solution of water and RV antifreeze through the boom assembly and the handgun. Congratulations, your new Agri-Fab 60-gallon tow sprayer is now ready to use. For additional help or replacement parts, please call Agri-Fab at 1-800-448-9282 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, or visit www.speedepart.com to purchase replacement parts. Superior products and incredible customer service. That's why we can say, Agri-Fab, lawn care made easy.